Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring mods load correctly. Install Forge or Fabric for your exact Minecraft version, and then drop the security expansion jar into the mods folder. Once done, back up your world or create a test world so mistakes won't cost progress. You must also confirm the mod's config directories appear in the Minecraft folder. This verifies the mod initialized. These steps set a reliable foundation so later mechanics behave predictably, and you won't chase hidden errors while building security systems. You now configure the mod's key components. Open the config to set default access levels and redstone responses. This governs who can trigger alarms and how the system reacts. Then craft and place core blocks: alarm for alerts, sensor for detection, and control panel for management, and position them logically around your base. Next, use the mod's linking tool to pair each sensor with the control panel so signals route correctly. Making these connections lets sensors reliably trigger actions and prevents spurious. You finish by testing and refining. Trigger each sensor individually and observe control panel responses, then arm the full system only when behavior matches expectations. If you see false positives, make sure to lower sensitivity and tighten access permissions in the control panel. This reduces nuisance alerts. If components don't respond, check the mod logs for initialization errors, ensure the mod version matches the loader, and relink blocks with the linking tool. A single relink or config tweak usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.